I'm making fried shrimp with my mom's famous French fries, but I'm going to make the seasoning for my fried shrimp. I call this my Gullah seasoning. I'm using a lot of paprika, almost 4 tablespoons of that for the color, smokiness, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons onion powder, a little bit of cayenne, not too spicy, 2 teaspoons garlic powder. You know what? I love garlic powder. Another little teaspoon. White pepper, thyme, and this Gullah seasoning will go great on poultry. I'm adding some basil. You can also use it on your vegetables. It's universal, and that's exactly why I made it. Gullah is a term used to describe the African American people here in the Low Country. We're a distinct group of African Americans, and our food definitely speaks to our West African ancestry. And I add a little bit of sugar just to balance out some of that cayenne that I use. A few pinches of salt, a few cracks of pepper. All right, that's done. I'm gonna get started on my dredge. Got a bowl for my wet, got a bowl for my dry. I'm just gonna start with 2 cups of flour in my dry, my Gullah seasoning. I'm just gonna use all of the buttermilk. When you dredge, keep one hand clean, keep one hand messy. Drop it in the buttermilk, drop it in the dredge. I can't wait till Mom gets here. She's the reason why I cook. Before I get started, I want to check the temp on my oil. You want to make sure that it's at a temperature between 360 and 375. Be mindful to go one at a time, because if you drop it all in at one time, they're going to clump together, okay? Woo! Music to my ears. Don't overcrowd your pot. Otherwise, it will boil over. Move it around. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And I'm looking for that golden brown color. Not too dark, not too light. That's it. That's the color I'm looking for. That's the firmness I'm looking for. That's ready to come out. And do this fast. Don't hurt yourself, but work quickly. You want a nice, even color. First batch is done. Mommy! Just in time?
Ooh, let me make some fries to go with them shrimps. What you think?
Remember, growing up, you would make the steak fries. I'm here to assist you in my kitchen.
Okay. Well, we got my seasoning.
My mom has washed 2 russet potatoes, cut it up. She's adding the russet potatoes to the bowl with a little bit of that Gullah seasoning, and she's now adding flour to begin tossing. So the flour is going to give it that nice coating and that crunch we want at the end. Okay.
Okay, you know what? I really, truly need a bag.
This work?
Yes, that'll work.
My mom always used a bag.
Okay, is the oil ready?
The oil's nice and hot.
All right, so I'm just gonna drop them in there and just let them stay in there for about 10 minutes and we should be good to go.
All right, Ma, these look good to you?
Yeah, you can tell because they're like kind of brownish there. They're good, they're good.
They are beautiful.
You know what's good?
What?
Sprinkle a little bit more on this while it's hot on the fries.
Okay, Ma, with the tidbits, Pat's facts for the day.
There you are.
I like it.